In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a border to an image using canvas size. This is a quick, reliable method that works in Photoshop and in many similar editors, and it gives you a clean, even frame without altering the photo itself. Start by opening your image. Once it's on screen, we're going to expand the canvas around it to create the border. Head up to the image menu and choose canvas size. This opens a dialog that controls how much extra space you add around your picture. Before you type in any numbers, look for the option labeled Relative and make sure it's checked. Relative tells the program to add the amounts you enter on top of your current canvas rather than replacing the entire size. With Relative on, you can think in terms of border thickness instead of total document dimensions. Now choose how wide you want that border to be. It's easiest to work in pixels. If you want a subtle frame, try something small like 20 to 40 pixels. If you want a bolder look, go larger. Enter the same value for both width and height to keep the border uniform all the way around. Check the anchor grid in this window as well. Keep the anchor centered if you want the border added evenly on all sides. If you move the anchor to an edge, the border will be added to the opposite side, which can be useful for a caption area, but for a standard frame, the centered anchor is best. Next, pick your border color. This method uses your current background color, so set that first. In Photoshop, you'll see the color swatches near the bottom of the toolbar. Click the background swatch and choose the color you want in the color picker. If your editor offers a canvas extension color drop down inside the canvas size dialog, make sure it's set to background so it matches what you just selected. With Relative checked, your width and height increases set, the anchor centered, and the background color chosen. Click OK. The program adds extra canvas around your image, and that new space becomes your border in the color you picked. If the border looks too thin or too thick, simply undo and repeat the same steps with a different value. You can also create layered looks by running canvas size more than once with different colors and amounts. That's all there is to it. Open your image, expand the canvas relatively, set the background color, and confirm. You now